This cat is called detect pangram. What do we have to do? A pangram is a sentence that contains every single letter of the alphabet at least once. Given a string, detect whether or not it is a pangram. Return true if it is, and return false if it is not. Let's go. Well, here we are. First of all, I want to import the string library, and I'll showcase you why. Print a string, and what I want to do is to import the entire alphabet as string, because string library contains such an alphabet in ASCII lowercase letters. Yeah. So here we have a string of the entire alphabet. Let's assign that to alphabet. And just in case, we can do the following: convert all the letters in the argument to lowercase letters. And yeah, then we can already start checking out whether the characters of the alphabet are indeed in the string. So for characters in alphabet, and let's print the characters, and whether or not the character is not in the string, not in the argument. And as you can see, the A is missing from the alphabet in the string. And that's pretty clear right here. The A is indeed missing. And if such a condition is met, it's not a pangram. If the condition is true, we return false. We are not dealing with a pangram. And in all the other cases, we can just return true, that we are dealing with a pangram. Here we have the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. That is indeed a pangram, a classic, and that returns true. And that's basically it. Let's check it out. Test. There we go. Submit. Works like a charm. I hope this has been helpful, that you learned something from it. I'll thank you for watching and hope to see you in another video. Ciao.